Hello again, welcome to our geometry videos. We're still in Unit 2, moving on to question number 22. And this is a little bit more of an algebra review type question, where we're asked to find the equation for the line that passes through 2 points. And then, once we have that equation of that line, determine if a third point is on the line or not. So, if we have 2 points and we're trying to find the equation of a line, right, we need to fit it in this format. So y equals mx plus b. Since that's the one I'm most familiar with, I could use point-slope formula, but I think the majority of us are more familiar with slope-intercept form. So, to find the slope, right, that's change in y over change in x, y2 minus y1 or x2 minus x1, however you want to think of it, rise or run. So we got 3 minus negative 2 over 4 minus negative 1. That should be it, negative 1. So 3 minus negative 2 is really 3 plus 2, which is 5. 4 minus negative 1 is really 4 plus 1, which is 5. So the slope of this line is 1. Well, that's nice. So we have 1, or y equals 1x plus b. Now we're going to take one of these points, plug it back in to the equation to see what our value of b is. So I'm going to plug in 3 for y and 4 for x. So 3 equals 4 plus b. If we subtract 4 from both sides, we get b to equal negative 1. So the equation of the line is y equals x minus 1. So here's the first part. The next part asks, is this point 3, 1 on the line? Well, if it is, then when we plug in those values for x and y, we should get a true statement. If we plug it in and we get a false statement, then we know it's not true. So 1 goes in for y, 3 goes in for x, and we get 1 equals 2, which is not true at all. So if the statement is not true, that means that this point is not on the line. Okay, if you have any questions about how to find the slope, the intercept, the equation of a line between 2 points, or how to determine if a point is on a line, feel free to leave a comment. Otherwise, you can subscribe, like, or share to our videos.